we are enjoying some Svedka Rosé cocktails, quite possibly the most exciting introduction into the wine and spirits category in the last 3 to 5 years. You get bright, sweet aromas of citrus fruit on the nose with that nice rosé wine finish at the end. It's extremely unique and special because it pairs well with anything. You could drink it over rocks, you can add a splash of soda, even a little bit of lemonade.
Today we're making a frosé for Svedka Rosé. Basically we're taking the Svedka Rosé, we're adding a really quality still rosé, some watermelon, a little bit of sherbet, a little bit of ice, and we're blending it all together.
I didn't realize how you can kind of create unique drinks out of things that you have at Jewel-Osco or any other supermarket. The first thing I tasted when I had the drink was a fresh hit of rosé, which was really super nice, reminds me of the spring or reminds me of summer in the city. And then the second thing it followed up was fresh watermelon. So it was an amazing drink.
The drinks themselves, they're very refreshing. It's a nice change of pace.
So the first winning number here, 758557. Right over here, she won. She's the winner. Give her a big round of applause over here.
I'm very excited. So when we have a party, I already got everything set up. So I'll take my little gift basket and we'll make drinks for the girlfriends. All my friends came out, so that makes it even more fun. So we're all like having a good old time, and it's good food.
The consumers really seem to be reacting well and really embracing Svedka Rosé, and it's because Jewel has been such a great partner. They've been putting it out there. They've been building great displays. They've really been energizing the Chicagoland market with this item, and Chicago seems to be responding.